Hey guys, No Gas Nico here. Ever change the oil in a Ford C-Max or any other Ford, and then you're wondering, I keep getting this warning. How do I reset the oil life? It's a pain in the butt in the Ford. I'm going to turn the car off now. I'm going to show you how to do it. I just changed the oil in this car, rotated the tires, so I'm going to go ahead and reset the oil life counter and show you what's all involved with that. It's not hard, it's not difficult. You just got to know the process. So here we go. And also, don't forget to check out my other videos. Like this, subscribe, share. I like to see my subscriber count goes up. It makes me happy. So anyway, I'll go ahead and flip the camera around and I'll show you what you have to do to reset your oil light counter. All right, so here's the dash of my wife's C-Max. What I'm going to do, see, I don't have my feet on the pedal. What you got to do is you got to hit the start button without your foot on the brake and push both the gas and the brake down together. And see, this says service oil reset in progress. Do not let go of the pedals. Keep them pressed down. And I'm going to okay that. And after about 20 seconds, we will see service oil reset complete. Okay, now I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to actually turn it on with my foot on the brake. Okay, on that. And no oil reminder. So there you go. That's how you reset the oil life. There you go. Pretty simple. So now you know how to reset it yourself. With the price of everything going up, I see a lot more people changing their own oil. And it'd be good to know how to reset that counter. So if you know somebody that has a Ford product, that this might help them. I know this is for a 2016 Ford C-Max specifically, but Ford used a lot of this same type of programming in their vehicle. So again, subscribe. I'd like to see my subscriber numbers go up. I've got a pretty low number right now, so I'd like to see my channel grow. Also, like and share this. If you know anybody has a Ford C-Max and they're talking about their oil change and how to reset it, send them this video. I'm sure they'll probably appreciate it. All right, that's all for now. Thanks, and God bless.